Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now in this video I want to talk about what is a sell limit and what is a buy limit, how you would use them and how I use them in my business. So stay tuned. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos a week, each and every week, to help you move forward in your trading journey. So in this video, I want to talk about buy limits and sell limits, okay? And firstly, I'm going to explain how they work. So basically, what is a buy/sell limit? Okay. Now, in a nutshell, let's just say price is here. Let's just say this is price currently. And let's just say let's just say we want to enter the market when price gets to this point here. And let's just say price at the moment is up here. So what we want to do, price is here. What we want to do and what we're looking for price to do is to come down, hit this point here, and then take off into a bullish direction. So what we want to do is enter a buy position when price gets to here. So what we do is we set up a buy limit at this price point here. So whatever this price point is, 109.140, we set up a buy limit at that point. So when price comes out here, it hits that price, triggers a buy, and then hopefully moves into a bullish direction. And we've got the same for a sell. So let's just say price is here, and we want to, what we want to do is for price to come up. When it hits this price, we want price to come in for a sell because the price is hopefully going to move in a bearish direction. So let's just say price is here. We're looking for it to come over here, trigger there, and then carry on moving into a bearish direction. And what we would do then is set up a sell limit at this point here. So this here is a sell limit and this here is a buy limit. So wherever price is, once it crosses this line or this price, it either gets entered into a buy limit if you're looking to buy or a sell limit if you're looking to sell. Now I just want to show you how I would kind of use that, okay? I trade smart money concepts, so I'm just going to show you, as I say, I'm not going into any trading as such in this video, but I just want to show you how I would use it. Okay, so let's just say we've got this order block here. This order block there, okay? What I've done is put a line at the open of this order block. Now this is where I would potentially be looking to take a buy position if I was looking to take this trade. You've got an expansion coming up here, it's creating a flag coming back, and I would look to enter a trade on a buy limit, so when price comes down here. So what I'm looking for is for price to basically come down to here, trigger the trade, and then to move up somewhere around there, I'd imagine. Okay? So this is what I'm looking for. So let's just get rid of those, and actually let's leave those on there. Let's take that line and that line off. And I'm just going to play this out for you so you can kind of see. So price now has come along. It's just touched this line here. As I say, it's just touched the open price of this order block here. And then price is starting to move away. I'm just going to play this out. It does come back and touch it a couple more times, and then as I say, you can see price actually then takes off from there. But what I would do is set up a buy limit so that when price comes and touches this line or touches this price point, it actually enters into a buy position. So hopefully then price will move into a bullish direction, trigger my trade, and I'll make some profits from that. So at this point here is where my trade would get triggered for a buy limit. And obviously if it's a sell limit, it's exactly the same. On the other side, you're looking for a sell position. let's move this down here so we can see. Let's just say, I'm just going to give you a very, very quick example of a sell position. Let's get rid of that. Let's just say we had the same thing up here. So this candle here is where I'd want to enter my position. Price comes down here. What I'm looking for it to do is to come back up to this line or this price point and then carry on moving down. So what I would do is enter a sell position, or set up a sell limit here, and then when price gets there it will enter a sell position for me, okay? So I'm just going to play this out. I'm not sure if it actually does or not. There we go. It comes back up, wicks this line here. So at that point there, it would enter me a sell position because I'd set up a sell limit at that price point, and then, as I say, price would carry on moving in a bearish direction. Now that's basically how buy limits and sell limits work. Hopefully it's given you enough information to understand how you would use them and how to enter them into the market. As I say, if you want to find out more about buy stops and sell stops, I will link to that at the end of this video. But as I say, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. I put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you in your trading journey, and I look forward to talking with you again real soon. Take care.